Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. My name is Tech Beauty. Yes, I want to show you very simple style in case if you have your wig on, you don't want to take off your wig. Many people don't like to take off their wig, they just want to tie just simple style on top their wig. Okay, let me show you. So maybe I will show you two styles. This material is called ashoki. I decide to do my voice on this video. Not every time I will use my music. Many people say they've missed my voice. Yes, this is my real face and this is my real voice. This material we have here is ashoki. Ashoki. So if you want to create simple style, this style you can create this style in 2 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. Okay, this ashoki, we are going to fold this ashoki into 60-40. So for you to achieve that 60-40, first you divide your material 50-50, then you raise one part up little bit. One side will be longer than the other side, little bit. The shorter side is now the 40, the longer side is now the 60. Okay, I want you to focus your eye and concentrate. I know you will learn one or two things. Okay, this side is 40, this side is 60. So what you are going to do, you will grab the 40 like this. Focus. You grab the 40. Now we are going to grab the 60. You see the same way you grab the 40, grab the 60. Okay, so right now you have the 40 and you have the 60. So we are going to place it on our head now. I want you to concentrate. So you place it on your head from the back like this. Okay, as you can see, you place it there like that. Okay, this style is very easy, but if you don't concentrate, you cannot get it. You see, this my hand now. So we are going to hand over this material, this one to this hand. See how we are going to do it. That is where we get. Okay, so right now, this one, hand over everything to this hand like this. So you can see this hand is free. So this hand now everything we are going to pull out. We are going to pull out everything out from this side. This one, we are going to drag it out. This is the way to do it. So right now, we'll start pulling it, pull, pull. Okay, as you can see, everything is out. Okay, so you can see, this one we have here before is out. What you will do now, drag it so that your gele will be very firm. Drag it. Okay, so before you continue, you systemize here little bit, just so that everything will just, this style is very easy. Okay, so right now, systemize here as well. Systemize. So we're going to work on this. You open it, open. See? So now you start creating your, see the way I'm folding it. Take it to the back. Take everything to the back like this. Then you bring it again to the front. Just focus your eye. Bring it again to the front. To the front. You continue. Bring it to the front. Continue. Okay. the secret is that this one, just take it round, okay, until the material is finished. Take it round, okay, then you continue until the material is finished. Okay, now the material is finished. What you are going to do, you tack, you connect them together. This one, just put it underneath like this. Then you use pin. Me, I already have one pin. I already have some pin already down here. Use this pin to secure. You pin it together. Okay, as you can see, this place, if you don't like it like this, or if you like it, you can leave it, or you can just push it inside, like push like this. Use pin underneath like this. Okay, so the next thing you will do, you see this place, you push it inside like this. Then use this hand to raise it up. Push here inside, raise it up, raise everything like this, set it up, set. Okay, so the other thing you will not do, just try and push it back a little bit. Push it to the side you like. You want the, so people leave it at the middle. You can leave it, this is the middle. You check if it's okay, you leave it there. You can push this rose to this side, you can push it to this side, you can leave it in the middle. Okay, for me, I will just check. I like when if you want to push it, use one hand to secure this your wig like this and push just the gele. You understand? Use one hand to secure, push the gele. Then, you know, I like it when I have it at the sides. That's it. If you want to push it to this side, grab here and push. It's very easy. This is the end of this video. Yes, in case today is the first time you come across my face, my name is Deck Beauty. I'm based in United Kingdom, London. I'm into makeup, Gele. Book me for your makeup. I'm a professional makeup artist. If you want to see my jobs, my handwork, go to my Instagram. My IG name is Deck Beauty. We are into makeup. We do Gele. We do Edo traditional okuku for Edo brides. I have studio, as you can see. These are some of my. I have studio here in United Kingdom, London. Come and have your photo shoot, your marriage photo shoot, birthday photo shoot. Yes, so we sell makeup product as well. We sell oil perfume. I'm available to travel. Book me for your events. Give me the postcode. I will be right there with you, and I will give it to you the way you want it. We give to our customers the way they want it. Thank you. God bless you. See you on my next video. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 1,500 videos on my YouTube channel, Deck Beauty. Go and learn. We are here to help to teach people how they can beautify themselves. Thank you. If you have any question, my number is on my page, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. My number is everywhere. Follow me in all my social media. I love you all. Happy New Year.
Ẹ bá mi ra bàbá